What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. If you're new here, I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Subscribe if you're here to make some gains. Also, check my Discord and Telegram down below in the description. You can find me there, ask me questions, give me suggestions, and communicate with other people. So let's get started with the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about DINOX, and DINOX is a newer type platform including Dinosaurs and their own game hatching. They're on the Matic/Polygon network and Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. They've been audited by Certic, which is obviously great. Their token price is 46 cents as of right now, and they did a token ICO sale, private sale on about 2.5 cents. So you can see here that around two-ish months ago, they launched on CoinMarketCap, and their daily volume is about $405,000. They've got almost 10,000 watch lists. They are on PancakeSwap and a few other platforms like Gate.io and Uniswap, and another exchange called 1inch Exchange. And obviously you can see that this is like got a lot of potential from off the bat. If you go to their Twitter, they are very known on Twitter. It seems like they got 100,000 followers, including D-Race, them following them, and Deathroad.io, which I both made a video on. And they post a few times a day. You can see here daily posts no matter what. And then if you go to their actual website, you can see multiplayer metaverse game, including Dinosaurs and Adventures. So obviously multiplayer, which is cool. When anything that's multiplayer and it's a game is obviously cool. And then if you scroll down, DINOX is a combat and strategy game in a sandbox environment, a beloved gameplay genre blended with a fan favorite theme of dinosaurs. Players build dino kingdoms, rally resources to expand, build combative skills to occupy others, and due to the benefits of the metaverse, retain true ownership of the game. Basically, they're saying it in a really complicated way, but basically you have kingdoms that you could build. You could make your skills better in game for your dinosaurs, and basically you own your NFT dinosaurs. Here you can see different dinosaurs. You got like Alcavalosaurus, different raptors, Ceratops, Sauruses, I don't know, these weird names that I could probably not pronounce. You got medium-sized, large-sized, different size, and you could get these, hatch an egg, get these dinosaurs, use them for combat. DINOX assets. DINOX universe can be separated into smaller functional pieces, all of them working together by utilizing three main assets fully deployed on Ethereum and Polygon. And you can see right here, it's basically all Ethereum and Polygon. Obviously, game is play to earn. If this game wasn't play to earn, this wouldn't be much of a success of a platform. Set on islands of DINOX verse, you will find yourself surrounded by various packs of living dinosaurs. The catch and core idea is that they live on the blockchain, and you can digitally own them, take care of them, and breed them, train them, fight them, different creatures occupying these lands. And obviously, this is like basic parts where you could breed, build up their skills and all that. But it's cool that they're dinosaurs and it's multiplayer and it's play to earn. All the good stuff. You can see interactive, tradable, collectible. So you can collect these NFTs, these DINOX NFTs. You can trade them. You could use them in game. You can stake to earn. So this is coming soon, and I'll show you like the monthly DNXC earning. This is another token. Their monthly like Dino token eggs income, and obviously this is pretty cool that they have their own calculator that is right now being made, and once it's done you could probably just see how many tokens and stuff like that would work. Their marketplace coming soon, since the game is actually not like really out yet, but it will be out fully soon. And then you got their investor/backer/partners, so you have like Game Starter, Polygon, all these other ones. You got their investors. You got a bunch of people basically backing and investing into this platform. Then here, just their newsletter. Their socials down here, terms and conditions, white paper, and then their tokens. So this is their tokenomics right here. You can see they've got raising about 1.28 million. Their total supply is 160 million Dino tokens. Then they got their listing price of 2.5 cents, like I said, at private round, and then initial market cap with liquidity of being $0.472 million. Their seed round was about 11% of their tokens, 21% of private round, liquidity being 18%, ecosystem incentives would be 25%, 15% teams, 5% partners, 5% reserves. And basically the ecosystem incentives would apply to the game. And yeah, if you go to their app, basically you'd have to be connected to either Ethereum or Polygon network, and once you're done with that, you could connect your wallet and you'll see this homepage right here saying like official listings, PancakeSwap, QuickSwap, Uniswap, Gate.io, different bridges, you know, all the things. So if you click staking, you'd see they have their staking stuff here. So staking details, you click that and you'll click accept, and you'll see you'd have to create a farm after you make your tokens. And you'd see the APY, liquidity value, all that, farms. This is on a different platform, obviously, but then you got like, this is from Unicrypt, QuickSwap, you know, all the different things. You got the dinosaur eggs, and you got their staking details where you'd have to like put this much, and you'd get in return dino eggs and hatch them. Then you got your collection of dinosaurs, your dinosaur items, your lottery. So this is like a lottery that you'd have tickets and all that, and you need to be on Polygon/Matic network to be in a lottery. And then you can see your available tickets, how many entries do you have, and you could probably win something. Like if you go to the 6th lottery that was before, you'd get like booster packs. And if you didn't know what a booster pack is, you get 3 different NFTs or something like that. Basically, I think it was originated from like baseball cards or Pokemon cards or something like that, where you'd get a pack of cards. And you can see here the booster packs. So you could get like 3 in a pack, 2. I don't know how it works with them. You got their randomly generated egg for all these people that won, and then 5th, 1st, whatever, and then the ongoing lottery right now. So that's their lottery, and their marketplace is obviously coming soon, and their governance section is coming soon. So you can't click those for now, but once they're out, I could probably make an update for you guys to know about more. And you can click their white paper to check more about them. They've been audited, obviously. You got their DINOX assets, so Dinosaurs, their currency, L2 tokens, Play2Earn, Stake2Earn, all that in their white paper that you could read about. And basically, that's it for DINOX. I think this is a great platform. And so does the other 100,000 people on their Twitter, Discord, Telegram, Medium, all this. I think this is a great platform. Let me know what you think about this platform. Comment down below. Ask me questions on my Discord, and I'll answer them. You can private DM me there. You can also join my Telegram. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Comment what you want for the next video and what game you recommend, and I'll see you guys later.